Okay, guys, we are going to open Roblox
Meme. What? Roblox Meme pack.
It's a meme pack.
And look on the back too.
What's that?
It's Mega Noob. There's a clown too.
Mega
Clown. His name is Fantastic Clown, even though he's not frowning.
Alright, what else is in there? So you got Mega Noob.
And we want fake mustaches.
Fake mustaches?
Guess what? There's.
You get that in the game?
No.
Oh.
I don't know. Guess what? There's a Despacito spider.
Oh, that spider looks scary.
And you can mix and match. And look, there's an exclusive redeem a virtual item at Roblox.com /toys. And there's heads right
You
on
have
the
an
top.
exclusive item in the game.
There's a head on the top. And on the back, yeah, it says their names. We want big mustaches.
Roblox Meme Mega Noob. Oh yeah, the spider, fantastic clown. We got the little dinosaur there. Well, actually, it's a velociraptor.
Okay, let's open it.
Fan, huh? Let's open it and see what happens.
I'm gonna open this side. Rip it open. Oh my gosh, I just ripped her head off. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Well, I found a way it opened.
So this is for people that likes to play Roblox and want to play with their toys too, huh?
Okay, guys.
What?
What the?
Oh, this one. Oof.
Oh my gosh. Look, it's a hat.
There's a hat.
I want to get them
Hat
out.
there.
Okay, I'm going to get Mega Noob out.
I see a hat.
Wait, there's the unicorn one. Look. Oh, there's a head here and a head on the bottom. I'm trying to get Mega Noob out, but he's too mega.
Oh, he's too big. Well, he's a buff guy.
He's thick.
Yeah.
That's why. Don't go too. We need help.
You need an adult help?
No, never mind. I got it. Now you push. Okay, I got one. Let it go. Oh, got the card out.
What cart? Let me see. Oh, yeah, you got the cart.
There's a rubber ducky.
Where?
Quack, quack.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't actually quack. Look.
Oh, you
There's
turn
a face
upside.
on the back. There's a two heads. Oh, thank you, parent. What the?
Parental unit number 1 helped out.
And look at this.
Well,
Wait. Oh no.
so if you can, you might need adult help to get some of these out.
I want the dinosaur. Okay.
Oh, man. It must be child-proof packaging.
This is 6 and up, and don't let children under 36 months play with this. And there's small parts and children hazards, and there's packaging such as tape, plastic sheets, wire ties, sticker, and tags and parts of product. Please discard for your child's safety. That is a warning, guys.
That's the warning.
When you buy this,
So all these small pieces can't be played with little babies,
when you
huh?
buy this, when you have a 3-year-old baby,
What happened to
please.
Mega Noob? Oh,
This is 6 and up, okay?
okay, so
Guys,
age is 6 and up.
if you have a 3-year-old baby, do not give it to them. And if it's under 36 months, then please, be careful. This is supposed to be for Mega Noob, but it's not for anything else. Come on, get out! Feed me, person. No.
What else is in there?
You won't get out. For some reason, you won't get out. Get out!
Are they glued in there?
No, it says there's tape.
Oh.
Did you listen? Look! We want
What is
fake
that?
mustaches! There's fire! Fire! Look at Mega Noob's holding we want fake mustaches. Yeah, it's not that.
Oh, it's a sign.
I want to try to take out the trash can. There's a little trash can!
Is the grouch in there?
What? No.
The
That's not Grouch. That's not from, what's it called? Elmo?
Sesame Street?
Yeah, it's not from Elmo. I got his hand out. Oh, I got him out. Now, I don't want. It's feeding. Look, and then on the back it says, I don't bite. Look, I'm like this.
Oh yeah, some weights to work out here.
Wait. Look at this. I'm so strong.
Oh, Mega Noob just fell down.
Mega Noob's resting.
The floor is lava, you know.
I'm gonna drink this look. Where's the sun?
What else is in there?
Let's get this out.
What else is in there?
Sorry.
How many pieces? Hello. Hey guys.
Why do you sound like that? Your head's so small.
What's going on here?
Guys.
Oh, there's a spider. There's a spider.
Guess what?
There's a
We
spider.
already have.
What is that?
It's a.
Oh, it's more.
It's a horn.
Okay.
Horn. Where is the sign? We want big mustaches.
What's this piece right here?
Oh, it's a neck, a scarf. This.
Okay, what else? What else is left?
People. And a scratch. I pushed my thumb too hard. Okay,
What?
let's get this out.
Thumb got hurt?
My arm.
Oh, so you can hurt yourself with your
No!
thumb. You have to be careful.
There's glue. It's glued.
Oh, so you have to be careful. Some of these are glued in there.
There's glued scratch off. This is. You can't scratch off this if it's glued.
Oh no, is that the special digital item?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna rip this off. I have a crack roll. It's gonna hurt. Wait, actually, it kind of works, but just a little bit though. Dang! Oh no! Why is it glued? Did someone sneak to glue it? It's a chain! It's a chain!
It's a chain?
No,
A necklace.
It's a
Gold chain.
chain.
It's a gold chain, huh?
I found this thing. I'm not gonna show you, but I scratched it off, guys.
This looks like a raccoon.
No, it's not. It's a Doge. Doge. A scarf.
Oh, it's tough.
Come on. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Ah!
You just gotta pop it from the back side.
He doesn't have his hair! Guys, look! Look what he's doing!
Hey, what are you?
We want fake mustaches!
What are you doing? I got a mustache.
It's a jet pig, so there's a jet.
Hey,
We want fake mustaches!
I want a mustache. I want some hair. I want some hair, guys. Look, someone put this on my head. I want some hair.
Wait, this guy has a mustache. He's supposed to have it. Guy. His hair fell off again.
It is I, Mega
He's laying in the car. He's laying in the car. How
What
did
else
he
is
go?
left in there? Hey, there's still stuff in there.
I know, but they're too hard.
Oh, no, wait. Where's it going? Ah. What else is left in there? Oh, we got a couple hats, masks.
Masks. Sounds familiar. He's sitting in the car. What's calling Mom? Mom? Who's Mom? I don't know. Yes.
What?
Get that, please. What is happening? Guys, my ghost is dead. They also say tape, plastic sheets, wire ties, stickers, tags.
Some of these are tied in there.
It's in there. So he's laying in the car. How is he laying in the car?
We got this little head here.
Hey, give me that. That's out. Hey, give me. Get that thing out.
Is this
We
orange?
want big mustaches. He's.
More stuff here.
Yes, we want big mustaches.
So we're good. You just popped out of that. You just push it from the back side.
Yeah, we tried. His spider legs can move.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Guys, look.
Looks like it's just a mouth.
His spider legs can move up and down.
Oh, okay, yes. There's all kinds of
Both
stuff.
of them.
This looks like a hoverboard.
How can I put this on him?
They got a hoverboard in there. Okay, cool. Oh, that's a scary spider. So what's all the pieces look
His
like?
legs can move. Okay.
What do you think?
Low
It's all pretty fun to play with, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Now all of them are gonna lay right here so you can see the accessories. Okay. These are all of them. I'm taking his head off. Virtual.
It's time.
Cassie, put them all.
Someone give me a hug.
Touch. Hug. Slap. Okay. I'm gonna show you all the stuff that are there. Okay. This is shotgun cards. Ice blue and ice blue. What? Why? No, we're gonna show them all. So here's a dinosaur.
Raptor.
Yeah,
Fossil
reptile.
after.
And here's the mega noob.
Hi.
Okay,
My name is Feed Me. I want a pie.
This is not his name, is that? See, this is his things.
Titan.
We have to show them all before they go. And this is like a little juice.
This is a little hat on a doge.
This one says ticks, chains.
And there's a little spider.
And this is the Doge scarf.
Oh,
This is another head.
hello, Miss Muffet.
This is a mix and match.
This is a low.
I can't see.
It's a low.
Nobody can see. Oh, it's low.
Okay.
LOL.
Do you know what LOL means? Laugh out loud. And guess what?
It's a
Love yourself.
Guys, you can actually mix and match.
yeah, like this. You can move their thing.
But the spider legs.
And guess what? I put the Bella duck on his head.
What? Oh, he's wearing a
Woo!
where's it? Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute.
What is this? This is a head. Okay.
And honk, honk, honk.
Okay. Honk. Baby dude's gonna lay down and sleep.
Here's a golden chain. It says ticks. I
Yeah.
think it's for him.
No, I don't think so. It's for anybody. And here's a bow and arrow, just like money.
It's a little.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment.
And go to
And share.
And
turn your notification.
and press that bell.
Bing!
And also turn on the notification so you always have notifications from us. Okay, guys.